Shanks might be secretly controlling the world government. Shanks is one of the most mysterious characters in One Piece. But why did the Gorosei, the highest authority of the world government, agree to meet him in private? Even the five elders seem to respect him. But why? Could be because of his true lineage? Unlike other pirates, Shanks walks into Mariawa with no resistance. This raises the question, is Shanks secretly working with the world government? Or does he have some deep connection to Emu? What do you think Shanks' true goal is? Let me know in the comments.